Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. It's really easy and simple. So whether you want to do it in an instant transfer or standard deposit, I'll show you how to do this step by step. First things first, open up Cash App, then go to the banking tab. Okay, you'll find this at the bottom left, and your Cash App balance will be displayed at the top. What I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and tap on Cash Out and then just enter the amount you want to transfer and then tap cash out again to proceed. Now you will have to choose how quickly you want the money to arrive. So you can choose either standard, which will take 1 to 3 business days. This is free, but it takes longer. Or you can also choose instant. It arrives immediately, but it has a small fee. Just tap on your preferred transfer option, confirmed your link bank account. If not linked, just follow the prompts, add one, then go ahead and tap on confirm to complete the transfer. Okay? Then you just need to go ahead and check your bank for the deposit. So if you go ahead and choose instant transfer, your funds should appear in minutes. If you choose standard transfer, your money will arrive in 1 to 3 business days. And you'll also get a notification in Cash App basically confirming your transaction. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.